The Ersebro asks, should I buy the new DJI goggles? And the answer is no. And the reason for that is very simple. It's not that those are bad goggles, but as long as the goggles are not compatible with the current generation of the Air Units and the Vistas, it just does not look as the good investment into the future. If the DJI was completely fine with killing the current generation or compatibility of the current generations of the Air Units and Vistas just like that, nothing really will stop them. That means if the current goggles, the new goggles, V2, will not become compatible with the Vistas and Air Units, and my gut feeling that this is only a software issue, my recommendation is no, don't go over there. We trusted them once, they messed with us, because I don't want to use the F word, and that means that they will F us one more time in the future. So no. If they make them compatible, I will be the first one to get those, because I think they are better goggles. Not better in every possible aspect, but I think that overall those are better goggles. And that's what Pavel thinks about this.